The fully automatic single-sided balance correction system provides single-sided balance detection and correction for workpieces with an outer diameter of 20 to 90 mm. Trays are used for loading and unloading. It can hold 30 pieces products and supports stacking. After the equipment locates the product, it clamps and transfers the product for initial unbalance detection. The blade can be balanced within 20 mg of the initial balance, and the unbalance can be corrected below 3 mg. The turntable transfer module lifts and reciprocates the product at each station for testing. Equipped with a positioning balance correction module, the unbalanced angle can be accurately positioned according to the balance test results, and the correction effect can be achieved by dispensing and massaging. The dispensing repeatability can reach 0.2 ml. After UV curing, the product will be retested and the EMA less than or equal to 0.2 grams per millimeter per kilogram. This automatic mass balancing machine is suitable for 0.8 to 3.17 mm axial fan blades. According to the unbalanced state of the blades, the UPH is between 160 to 300 pieces, which significantly improves the detection efficiency and saves the cost.